Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to sign up into your online banking account of Truist Bank. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up into your online banking account. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection, and without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link, that is www.truist.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. Next page, you will be directed into official site, and on this following page in the top right corner, tap on sign in. As you tap on sign in, there is a login interface. Since you don't have an online banking account, so you'll not be able to log in into your device or your account. In order to create login detail or in order to sign up into your online banking account, scroll down and then tap on register now in the bottom left corner. Once you do that, on the other page you'll have to select your account type. So you can see there are two different options, so you'll have to select it accordingly. So once you select your account type, next you'll have to select the method in which way you want to register. So over here you can see there are multiple options, so you'll have to select it accordingly. You can see under it they've asked for your ATM card number, and after that you'll have to enter your debit card PIN. And once you're done entering your PIN, next you'll have to enter your postal code or your zip code. And once you're done entering your zip code, next you'll have to enter the email address that is linked with your bank account. And after you're done entering all your information, make sure to go through it once again. Only then tap on continue in the bottom left corner. As you tap on continue, and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you'll get to create login information or your login ID. That includes your username and your password. So once you're done creating your login information, on the other page you will automatically sign up into your online banking account of choice. That is how you can sign up into your online banking account of choice. That's all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.